12 November 2024, and time once again for yet another training session. It's going to be a short one because my camera person is not here today. Lara is out and about. So, let's get to it. Yo, tough times here. Session number 26. But I guess it's time to just do it. Louis is vandaag 'n bietjie siek. No gym ons. Maar rustig verder. Please like, please comment, and of course, please subscribe. Whew, tough times, people. It's 30 degrees again in Cape Town, so not easy to work out in this weather, especially in a hot room, a hot box essentially. 12th of November today, and a shout out to my father who was born on the 12th of November. Okay guys, until the next one, take it easy.